Would you like to have a funnel with 5 incomes and only have to share one link to show that to people? Okay, let me show you that now. First of all, you go here to start here. And that just brings up the video and everything else. And if you go to my links, they call them links, but they're actually capture pages. But I guess you need the link to get to the capture pages, and there's lots of them, so you can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them to. Then you go back into the system again, and you check all your training. First of all, they have weekly training, and then they also have marketing system success training, which is really something great. I mean, if you want to become a better marketer, take a look at all these videos here. You don't have to do them all at once. You can do one or two, whatever you got time for, and then come back and do another one. And eventually you'll get them all done. I done them all, and I thought it was a great benefit. Then you go back into the system again. And you can, there, if you look there, you can, oh, also the success training. This is what you should do if you decide to do this program. You should do this before you get started. It tells you how to do everything. First of all, lesson 1, that means work on your personality. Lesson 2 shows you where and how to get traffic. Lesson 3 shows you how to do your follow-up. Lesson 4 shows you how to do your YouTube ads. And lesson 5 shows you how to do Facebook ads. And then lesson 6 shows you how to block some time to do this. Now, you don't need much time, but you do need some. It will not work all by itself. And lesson 7, there's some more small bonuses in there. You can take a look at them when you get in there. And then you go back into the system again. And there you can see who's all on your team. And here, once you click on leads, I'm not going to do it because we're not allowed to show the emails. You get an email with each one, so you have all the information there to follow up. And I always follow up because people very seldom join on the first time they see something. They usually want to ask more questions. So I answer their questions, and then I let them decide what they want to do themselves. And here you can see who's on the leaderboard. And if you go to resources, here they got sample emails you can use to do your follow-up. You can use these or you can use your own. It's entirely up to you. But like I say, I always follow up. Then you go back into resources again, and you can see your banners. Now look at all the banners that's included with this that you can use to do your advertising. There's lots of them, so you use whichever ones you want. Then you go back into the thing again, and you can see your images that you can use for social advertising. So there's a lot of stuff here to help you with your marketing. And then you go to see, it tells you how to do your Facebook ads. And also, if you click on there, it shows you all the businesses you got in there. And if you click on there, it shows you your bonus income. So, okay, let's say that you'd like to maybe get started with this. Well, first of all, you go here. And I'm going to put a link under the video so you can watch Matt do this 21-minute video. And and with that same link, you can also join. So it's up to you what you do after you watch that. And then, and step 1 and step 4 are already part of the system. And step 2 and 3, you can put your own opportunities in there if you have any. And if you don't have any, take a look at the ones I got. They're both great opportunities, and they're each under $10. So if you like them, you can use them. Step 1 is the funnel itself, and it's been in business for over 4 years. And step 4 is your income, multiple income funnels, and they've been in business for over 10 years, so you get good leads there, and it's also your back office. Okay, now that I've showed you all that, let's say that you maybe want to get started with this. Well, I already told you to put a link under the video. Now, I guess you'd like to know the costs. Well, let me tell you the costs. First of all, if you go to step 1, right now they have a special on. It's usually $97, and right now they have a special on for $49 a month. And if you get somebody in under that, you make a $20 commission. And step 2 and 3, I already told you, are each under $10. And traffic authority, it depends how many leads you buy. The more leads you buy, the cheaper they are per lead. So it's entirely up to you. But like I said, I also have my bonus income, which I use to get leads. And for $1 a day, I get 100 leads. So at the end of the month, I have 3,000 leads. And if you get somebody in under that, you make a small commission, and you also get another 100 leads. So that by the end of the month, you could have 6,000 leads. So be sure to check that out once you're in here.